Today is the last day of February, and the market was down. The Dow was down 70 points. The decliners were 60% of the stocks that moved, and the advancers were 40%. So that means that the next time we look at the McClellan index, it's going to be below zero. And it may continue to move in that direction because we've seen how the McClellan indicator just moves up and down between these two levels. And then whenever it falls outside of those levels, it usually recovers quite quickly. The market wasn't, let's just take a look at a color map. And there was no real, we actually have it on the home page here. There was no real rhyme or reason. I mean, the basic materials sector certainly took a beating, but the losses were spread all around. Maybe technology fared the best today. S&P flat, Apple still channeling around in the cloud. Global payments, that's a new high. So if we're waiting for a pullback, it might not happen when we want it to. Caterpillar still within this gap, still on a target for 149 something. Intel, little doji flag today, down 17 cents. WDC was the surprise, okay? The beginning of the day, I got a little alarmed by the steep drop at the open in WDC, and I got really nervous, and then I started looking at the 1 minute cloud. When I saw this bounce, setting a high and a low for the opening 15 minutes, I started looking at the 1 minute cloud and was a little worried about where it was going. But it was pretty strong. It was using the cloud. Once it had broken through this cloud, it was using the cloud. Let me just zoom that. It was using the cloud pretty much all day long, the 1 minute cloud. But it continued to recover quite nicely, and it's a stock that we still want to hold on to because it's moved up now. It's still trying to fill this gap. So the next stop is 52.71. But the nice thing is that the Chiku came out of the cloud. If we have a down day tomorrow, we can look for support on the cloud. It might be a small down day, but it's still a good stock to hold on to.